Hey, our friend Sarah and draw Husky.
Yeah, back to school Husky. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We use our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like crayons or colored pencils.
Yeah, all right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start with the backpack for our little puppy. We're gonna start right here on the right and kind of towards the bottom of our paper, and we're gonna draw the top of our backpack. I'm gonna draw, start in the middle, and then we'll draw over to the right, like this rainbow line. Yes, and then we're gonna draw a book coming out of it, a school book coming out of our backpack. I'm gonna draw a kind of a diagonal rectangle shape. And then we could draw a little curve like this, or a diagonal line, coming down, and then coming across to the side. And then we'll draw a diagonal line down to make the book more 3D.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw a little pencil coming out, or a big pencil. I'm gonna draw two lines next to each other. This is a giant pencil.
Yeah.
And then up at the top, we can draw a little curve to connect for the eraser. Okay, let's draw the eraser and also that little metal part that holds the eraser on. Okay, cool. Now let's finish the backpack. We're gonna draw this side coming down further. Then we're gonna curve at the bottom for the very bottom of the backpack. And we're gonna go a little past this line, this curve. We'll keep going, we'll curve up, and then we're gonna finish drawing the backpack connecting into the book. It looks 3D. This looks like the zipper.
Oh yeah.
We could draw a circle. Then let's draw a rectangle shape. And let's add another line next to it for the zipper, and we'll connect to the top. Okay, let's give our backpack a front pocket. I'm gonna draw this curved rectangle shape. If we ever go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Also, if you want to add more details, you could draw more art supplies or school supplies sticking out of your backpack.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the top of the pocket. There's our backpack.
Yes.
Okay, now we're ready to draw our Husky guarding our backpack, or maybe getting ready to eat the homework.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Okay, let's draw the nose. We're gonna draw it pretty close to the book sticking out of the backpack, but we're gonna come straight up because we kind of started in the middle of our paper. So we're gonna start here, and we're gonna draw a letter U, it's kind of a round curve. And then we're gonna draw the top of the nose connecting. Then we can draw the mouth curving down and to the left and down to the right. Oh, let's color in the Husky nose. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw a curve. That's a circle. And also a circle over here. Then let's color these in. A lot of times we add a little highlight, but I think it will be fun this time to just color the whole thing in solid.
Okay.
Now we're gonna come straight up from this eye, and we're gonna draw the top of our Husky's head, curving over to right above the right eye. Then we're gonna leave a little space, so a little gap right here. We're gonna curve down and then an S curve out for the cheek. And then we're gonna match that same curve, S curve on the right. I got a little bumpy, but that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the ears before we keep drawing the cheeks. We're gonna start up here. We'll draw a diagonal line, and I'm also curving it a little. And we'll do the same thing, curve, diagonal line coming up to the right. And then we're gonna draw the rest of the ear, curving down and connecting back into the head. Let's draw, I'm gonna connect this, or extend it just a little further, almost like I'm connecting it. And we can just add little fur inside the ear. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So this little space is smaller, and then we can draw two little diagonal lines. Okay, now let's draw the cheeks. We're gonna add little furry zigzag lines. So we're gonna draw a zigzag coming in on both sides. Then we'll draw another one coming out, short one. And then let's curve in for the cheek. And then let's do another one, but really small. Look how small I made that one. Super small. And then we're gonna draw curving and almost connecting to the backpack for the rest of the head. And then on this side, we're just gonna go behind the backpack. Oh, and I noticed that this little curve right here, if I kept going, you can maybe see it between the book and the pencil. If you have room. Yeah, good job. There's our little Husky's head. Okay, now let's draw the arms and the body, or legs in the body. Okay, let's draw a big puppy foot right here next to the backpack, guarding it. So a big letter U. And then we could draw little toe lines down here at the bottom. Oh, yeah, and also Huskies kind of have little white furry chest. So I'm gonna draw a zigzag and then connect into the backpack. Probably could have drawn that first, but we did a little zigzag. Yeah, just like that. Okay, then we're gonna draw the back of our Husky coming down. And then we can draw the foot or leg, first, bending down to the foot. And then we're gonna draw the rest of the foot curving here and then into the front foot. Let's actually we'll make it more simple and connect it here. There we go. And then we can draw 2 little toe lines for that foot. What are we missing?
His tail.
Yeah, the tail. Let's draw it curving out from the back and up. We're gonna draw it really big. So we're gonna draw it curving up, then we're gonna curve back down, then a little zigzag up, and another curve down, and then another curve or diagonal line coming out, and then curve in. We did it awesome. We finished drawing our little back to school Husky. Well, we still need to
color it.
Yeah, it just looks like a puppy.
Yeah.
This part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our drawings and they turned out awesome. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I hope our friends had fun too. You guys can pause the video to match your same coloring, or you could color it differently.
You could also add a background.
Yeah, you could draw maybe a school bus or your school.
Yeah.
Oh, and even some school kids.
Oh yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a back to school Husky.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun. I'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.